What if with the press of one button you were able to generate YouTube shorts just like this within seconds
Jacob Wetterling vanished without a trace.
with AI and make hundreds of dollars a day from it? On YouTube, true crime might be one of the best niches to get started in right now because of how untapped it is with AI tools. It is literally so untapped that the two most viewed videos on this channel are about true crime, and there's a reason for that. Money. And the true crime niche carries lots of it. When people watch true crime content, they binge watch it. They watch 5 or 6 30-minute long videos all in one sitting, and the perfect part about that is with those long videos, you're able to put a bunch of mid-roll ads and get an even higher RPM because people are watching each and every single one. Channels like Midwest Safety with even a low $6 RPM would still be making over $300,000 every month. And that's not the only channel. There's also Code Blue Cam. With the same $6 RPM, they would be making over $100,000 every single month. And a channel like Police Activity, which I believe recently just monetized their video, with that same $6 RPM would make $200,000 every single month. Do you understand how much money that is from just posting faceless YouTube videos? A lot of people want to make thousands of dollars every single day from true crime videos, but the issue is it's really hard to get started in this niche. But what if you're able to artificially increase your subscribers, increase your growth with an AI tool? Well, there's actually a solution for that by posting something that's very, very neglected in the true crime niche. And that is YouTube Shorts. Once you realize that you can build up your subscribers by generating YouTube Shorts that take you literally seconds with a AI video generator, which I'm gonna show you exactly how to in this video, you'll be able to increase your channel's growth and get a good true crime YouTube channel started that's completely faceless. All you have to do is just type in a simple prompt like this, a true crime video about the most notorious kidnappings or something. I don't know. Then all I have to do is hit on generate content. That's it. And I'm going to show you this exact method within this video so that you can start using YouTube Shorts to build your channel up, to get subscribers in the true crime niche. Not only that, but the video generator we're going to show you guys also is coming out with a long form content creator very, very soon. So now you'll be able to create entire videos and not just YouTube Shorts with just a simple prompt. Using TubeMagic, which is the best YouTube AI tool for optimization, for making your videos have the highest chance of going viral, we're gonna use the Warp Upload tool. Now right here, we can put in the URL of our video or put in context, because let's say our video isn't uploaded, it hasn't been created yet. Right here, I'm going to put in the context of my video. So I'm gonna say a YouTube short about the most scariest criminals ever caught, like that. And I'm gonna hit on generate, and now TubeMagic is scanning videos with millions upon millions of views with viral optimization, and within just seconds you've seen it's created me a bunch of good titles to use that have viral potential, a good description with amazing keywords for your metadata, as well as tags right here that you just simply copy when you upload your YouTube short. So all I have to do when uploading a short is put in the tags, put in the title, and just paste in the description that TubeMagic's Warp Upload Optimizer generated me. And now I have instant, amazing optimization, and no one is doing this with YouTube Shorts because it takes so much time to optimize that no one's wasting their time. But now with an AI tool, you're able to do it in seconds. So what excuse do you have? And then you're gonna go over to here in Video Elements, and then you're gonna add a related video, add a long form video to redirect these short term viewers into your long form content and make them watch that, make them subscribe, and get those long form views, which is like gold compared to your short form views. Like I said, literally no one is optimizing their YouTube shorts because of how much time it takes. But now you have an AI that'll optimize it in literally seconds, and you guys can try out TubeMagic for an entire week for only $1. Yes, only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below to try out this amazing AI software. And I also just want to throw this in too. You can use the article to script tool and just paste in an article about your true crime story. select the template, select on shorts, hit on generate, and now it'll make you an accurate script based on an accurate article if you just really want those details in there. So in a haunting twist, in the Jacob Wetterling case, new evidence has emerged showing that Danny Henrik was linked to Jacob's abduction almost 30 years ago. So now you can take a specific article, maybe it's something completely new that came out a couple days ago, and make a new YouTube short about it, and bank on the trending true crime news as well. Because we all know true crime, there is a new article about some new breakout news every single week. Someone gets abducted, some case gets solved, and you can always copy those links and make these YouTube shorts just like this based on new trending information. Like I said, you guys can try out TubeMagic for $1 with the link in the description below. And right here, we're gonna use ChatGPT, which you all know is free. And right here, I'm gonna write, give me a long list of true crime cases that would be perfect for YouTube shorts. Just like that, then I'm gonna hit on this arrow right here, and now ChatGPT is going to bring me a bunch of real stories. So like the Zodiac Killer, the Black Dahlia, the John Bennett Ramsey case, the Ted Bundy. And if I want, I can even say, could you give me less violent ones that won't get demonetized on YouTube? Something like that as well. Here we go, the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum heist. Now that's just a heist, that's not violent. DB Cooper, a mysterious hijacker who parachuted out of a plane with $200,000 cash. It was never found. So now you can even do less violent ones that won't get demonetized, so you can make a little bit of money off the monetization from your YouTube shorts. So let's take this DB Cooper video idea case, for example. Now using this software called VidAI, which I'll have linked in the description below, it is a video generator that's going to make us our shorts within seconds. Now they have two types of shorts right now, and I'm gonna go through it. We're gonna press on new project, press on Faceless short, and now we can pick between AI generated shorts right here, the pictures, or gameplay right here. So right now I'm gonna select on gameplay. I'm about to show you guys the AI generated images ones next, but right here I'm going to put in my prompt. I can also put in my script or select popular topics. But right now there's no true crime topic right here. So right here I'm gonna type in the mysterious case of D.B. Cooper. Just like that, then I'm going to select on a narrator.
One today is worth two tomorrows.
I really think Anthony works well for true crime videos. So now we selected our gameplay and we're gonna press on images in gameplay. So it pops it up right here. I'm gonna hit on generate content. Now in just a few seconds, it's going to redirect me to the script right here and a bunch of these images. Now I can go in and regenerate these images that will pop up on screen, but all of these look good to me right now. So I'm gonna press on next right here, select a few other options if I want to. I'm gonna select on one word, and I'm also gonna add some music like the Blade Runner 2049 music right here. I can also go through, change fonts and everything. Like for example, I'm gonna change this to a more serious font, hit on generate just like that. Do you see how quickly it took me to generate that short? And this is going to be the result of what we just created in seconds.
In 1971, a man known as D.B. Cooper vanished after a daring skyjacking.
Now I still haven't showed you guys how to use the AI generated images. So right here in this prompt box, I'm gonna write the mysterious case of Teresita Bassa, another true crime case. I'm going to select the same Antoni voice right there. Now I can select any of these right here, but specifically I think cinematic works for true crime videos, and I'm going to hit on generate content, and now it just takes a couple of seconds. It's going to generate me my script and show me a bunch of photos. So now it's showing us our entire script, but this one, for example, I don't like it because it has a bunch of random words right here on this news article. So I'm going to press on regenerate. I can do a custom image if I want, or I'm just going to hit on proceed right here. Let it create something completely else for me. And there we go, that's much better. Now I'm gonna hit on next, hit on the same music. I'm gonna change that font, make it one word right here because I really like that one word option. Then I'm going to hit on generate, just like that. Now I've made another short with the AI generated images. And this right here is how that's going to look like.
Months later, Teresita's spirit reached out to a close friend. Through a seance.
You guys can try out this video generator with the link in the description below using the code MAGIC30 for 30% off your first month purchase. Or you can join our Black Friday email list in the description below to join in on the amazing Black Friday discounts in just a couple of weeks. And if you guys want to discover the dark truth to police body cam videos, then check out this video right here because you guys will be shocked on the one thing that you can do with police body cam videos that can accelerate your channel right now and save you thousands and thousands of dollars. This is the only channel that's going to outright tell you this secret, so if you don't watch the video now, you may never discover the secrets that are within this video.